Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Plug in an external drive with enough free space and make sure it's powered. Once connected, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Backup. Choose Add a Drive and pick the external disk you attached. You do this so Windows can write file history snapshots to a safe location. Make sure space shows correctly, otherwise stop and free up or choose a larger disk. From here, turn File History on so the system creates the first backup right away. Once file history is on, you need to tailor what gets backed up. Click more options to add or remove folders, include documents, desktop, pictures, and any custom work folders. Then set a backup frequency that matches how often you change files, 10 minutes for active work, 1 hour for typical use. Also set how long versions are kept. Make sure to exclude large media or temp folders so your drive doesn't fill up. This keeps backups reliable and fast over time. Finish by creating a system image for full recovery. Open Control Panel, choose Backup and Restore, Windows 7, then create a system image and save it to your external drive. Once complete, verify by using File History's Restore Files option to open a few backed up files. Make sure the image and file copies are accessible before trusting the drive. If the drive doesn't appear, check the USB cable and power, try another port, and open Device Manager to update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.